Hi guys, welcome to another video of Karen's World. Today we are going to make some super yummy chicken cutlets. So without further ado, let's get on with the video! We need half a kilo of chicken, some salt for your taste, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, a few pieces of chopped ginger. Then for the masala, we need a few pieces of curry leaves, some chopped green chili, some chopped ginger, 1 onion, some garam masala for your taste, and 3 boiled potatoes. And for the last step, which is coating your mixture, we need some breadcrumbs and some eggs and a bottle of oil for frying the cutlets. First, we need to cook the chicken, adding salt, the pepper powder and the ginger. Our chicken is cooked now. We need to wait for the chicken to cool down for a while so we can grind it. While we are waiting for the chicken to cool down, let's pour some oil into the frying pan and saute the onions with the green chili, ginger and curry leaves. When the onions get a golden color, we can stop sauteing them. Our chicken is now cooled down. Now let's grind it.
There's so much chicken.
This is how we want it to be like. Now we need to saute this chicken in a frying pan to get rid of the moisture. This is how you want it to be. Now we need to mash the potatoes along with the chicken, garam masala and the sauteed onions that we prepared earlier. We need to mash the potatoes like this and make sure it has no lumps in it. Now let's add the shredded chicken, the sauteed onions and the garam masala and mix it thoroughly. You can check the salt at this time and add if needed. If the mixture is too loose, you can add some breadcrumbs to make it thicker and shape it as you want it to be. Now let's shape it like a cutlet.
No, not see them in the camera. Sticky, broken. Mine's a swirling preference. Nope.
Now let's beat the eggs for the mixture to be dipped in and then coat it with breadcrumbs. We can now fry this in the oil. So guys, our cutlet is now ready. Now let's have a taste. So guys, if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to tell me how you did in the comment section below. Bye! It's very tasty and it's really